Hi guys, in today's video we are going to learn file, how to save to a file, how to open a file, read the file or file input output using C Sharp. It's the part 3 of window form application. So let's start. Open Visual Studio, go to file menu, new, project, select C Sharp, Visual C Sharp, select window form application, give the project name, my notepad, click on OK. You can find this video tutorial inside my blog. I will provide the link of my blog in the description below. Also, you can find the PDF file from here. I will again provide this link inside the description below. Before that guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for future notifications. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Let's start. So last video I show you how to add menu strip. I just drag and drop this menu strip here. I'm giving same thing like notepad, file, open. Let's say delete this. First one is new, open, save, exit. So same thing here, edit, cut, copy, paste and select all. So for file input output we are using system.io namespace. This system.io namespace is the base class of file handling in C Sharp. To write to a file we are using the file.append text. It will take two parameters. First parameter is the file path. Second parameter is the content of the file. What we need to write to a file. To read from file, we will use system.io.file read all text and the file path. So it will read all the file into this string text value. To delete a file, we can write file.delete and we can give complete path here. And for copy paste, we can use .copy, .cut, .paste, .undo also. So here I will add one more property, undo. Okay. So let's start. First, new. Inside the new, as I told you, we are going to use file handling. So we need to add that namespace system.io input output. Inside my blog, you can find this complete code here. Just I'm already did this. I'm just taking copy paste here. Okay, so what I did here, you can see there's a rich text box. I need to add one more something. So if I run this application now, it's coming as a file, new, upon, edit, cut, copy, paste, but there is no text area to write my data. So I need to add a text area. So we can add common controls, rich text box. Right click on the rich text box, properties. There is the name, you can change the name. I'm keeping as it is. There is a property called doc. What is doc property? If I click on left, so it will, you can see it is coming left. I cannot drag into right. So if I click on top, it is coming top. I cannot drag into the bottom. So I will make it fill complete. This text area will completely fill my application. So go to properties, doc, make it to fill the middle one. You can see this one, middle one. And in window form, right click on the form, go to properties. Let's say give the form title my notepad applications. Now run the application. You can see we got a text area to write our data. right? Now we have to event, like I click on new, I clicking on upon, I clicking on save, it's not working. So I have to write the events for those. So file, double click on the new menu. These are the code you can find inside my blog or inside my that chapter PDF file. You can download from the description link below. So what I am doing here, if there is the text area, the text means the what is the content of that area, text area is blank, then nothing, or else it will ask for, do you want to save the file? So you can see here what is the properties. Last class I show you how to show message box with different button and different icon, and I promised you the next class we are going to show how to handle the yes no event. If I click on the yes, what will happen? If I click on the no, what will happen? So for that I'm using a inbuilt class dialog result. So it will store the result of the button event. So dialog result object equal to message box dot show, do you want to save the file? Then caption message box yes no icon question. If you click on no, it will directly clear the content of file, or else it will ask you to save the file. So how to save the file? In Visual Studio C# window form application, we have a very special feature called dialog boxes. You can see, go to toolbox here. There is dialogs. Font dialog, open file dialog, save file dialog, folder browser dialog, color dialog. So for today I am going to use open file and save file dialog box. I can directly drag and drop to my application, or I can create a class object of that tools. So save file dialogs, SFD is the object, new save file dialogs, SFD.filters, object.filter means what kind of file I want to save. As it is a notepad application, I am going to save text file. So filter equal text files bar.txt, default text will be .txt, then show dialog. Show dialog means it will open the dialog box. So if I give some name there, what is the file name? It will take the file path as I show you that for this we are going to use a file.append text. It will take first the file path and the file content. So same thing here, file save file dialog box object dot file name, it will get the file complete file path what we want to save, and the text area dot text the file content. So let's now run it. Let's say I'm clicking on new, nothing is happening if it is blank. Let's say I added something, hello world. So if I click on new, you can see, do you want to save the file, yes or no? The same thing you can see here, do you want to save the file? Message box button, yes or no. So yes or no. So here I written that in dialog result, if dialog result equal to no, then it will directly clear the content of the file, or else it will ask for you save. So here I am clicking no, so you can see automatically it clearing the file. Let's say I add one more text, new, do you want to save the file? I clicking on yes, so it will enter to the save part. Okay, so here I'm going to desktop, let's say test file. You can see this save file type. So what is the save file type? This is save file type. What kind of file we are saving? So you can see text file. So text file, I given text file, save. Okay, now I want to open the same file. So how we can open the same file? Double click on the open menu. For open, we can write this line of code. I already written, so I just copy paste in the application. Open file dialogs, just like save file dialogs, that is called open file dialogs. Okay, open file dialogs, OFD equal to new open file, same the filters, then show dialogs. Then if we select the file, if we are selecting the file, then system.io.read all text of that OFD to the file name, means the file path. Here I show you how to read the file. Right guys? Let's see now. Run the application. Go to open. You can see open file dialog came. This file we saved that time. Select this, open. You can see the content came here. Right? Got it guys? Now we will go to save. For save we will use the same coding as our new. So go to save. Same thing. Run the application. Give something. Click on save. You can see save file dialog came. New file. Save. Right? You got the idea, new open save, and you already know exit. Exit means closing the application. So how we will close the application here? Last video I show you this dot close. Right? This is done for file menu. Now we will go to edit menu. Edit menu is very simple. Only one line. Upon the caught event, reach textbox1 dot caught. Copy, same thing. What? Copy. Paste, reach textbox1 dot paste. Select all, reach textbox1 dot select all. Very simple in C#. It's very understandable programming. You can learn very easily. Undo, same thing, reach textbox1 dot undo. Now see, now run the application. You can see here, let's say I'm opening one file. I'm opening some other file, a big file, new file here. Open, let's say test file, hi.net guy. Here, caught, you can see caught. Paste, copy, paste, select all. You can see undo, again undo. Let's say I written something here. Hi, there. How are you? Now click on undo. You can get it. It's coming. Doing the undo. So you can know how to write to a file, how to open a file, how to save a file, how to do cut, copy, paste, select all, undo in C# application. I think you have got the idea how to create a notepad software. If you have any doubt, please write down the question or doubt in the comment box below. For today, this much. Thank you very much.